Welcome to Exam Buster, and today we are going to discuss about GATE exam pattern. So let us see. What is GATE exam. It is a national-wide entrance test for the admission of post-graduation in engineering in India. GATE stands for Graduation Aptitude Test in Engineering. GATE score is also accepted by some government professions for recruitment. For example, public sector undertaking jobs, PSUs, it is to get recruited in companies that is wholly or partly owned by central or state government. GATE 2021 is organizing by the IIT Mumbai. Qualifying GATE doesn't guarantee admission or scholarship or jobs. Admission to any institute is fully dependent on the admitting institute's criteria for educational qualification. Also, for job in some of the PSUs who use GATE score are not ensured, as that solely depends on respective PSUs. And then here, getting into eligibility criteria of GATE paper 2021. Anyone who has successfully completed 10 plus 2 plus 2 or 10 plus 3 plus 1 and currently in undergraduate third year are eligible as per educational qualification for GATE 2021. And then higher years of study or graduated in any government approved degree program in engineering or technology or architecture or science or commerce and or arts are eligible for GATE. And then some details of GATE exam. Its duration is 3 hours. Number of questions are going to be asked 65. Total number of marks are 100 marks, and it is online exam. And we are going to have two types of questions. Number one, multiple choice questions, and number two, numerical answer type questions. So getting into detail more about numerical answer type questions. Answer for these questions is a real number. Answer should be entered via an on-screen keypad or computer. Scribble pads are given for rough work and to be returned after the exam. And finally, after 3 hours, the computer automatically closes the screen from the further action. Negative marking. It is again depends upon the type of question and marks allotted for that question. For multiple choice questions, again for 1 marks, if you give wrong answer, then 0.33 marks or 1/3 mark is deducted. And for 2 mark questions, if you gave wrong answer, then 0.66 marks or 2/3 mark is deducted. And for numerical answer type questions, there is no negative marking. So next, coming to introduction. GATE is conducted in the following 27 disciplines, namely, and here in the left column it is GATE paper name, and in right column it is code for those disciplines. You can write from aerospace engineering, for agricultural engineering, architecture and planning, biomedical, biotechnology, civil engineering, chemical engineering, computer science and information technology, chemistry, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, ecology and evolution, geology and geophysics, instrumentation engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, mining engineering, metallurgical engineering, and petroleum engineering, physics, production industrial engineering, textile engineering and fiber science, engineering sciences, life sciences, statistics, environmental science and engineering, humanities and social sciences. And these last two courses are newly introduced this time. And again we are having three categories after the courses what we have mentioned above, like XE, XL and so first let us see about XE. XE stands for engineering sciences, and here the paper pattern we like A section plus any two from B to H sections. You need to choose. A is compulsory, and from B to H you need to select two subjects, and for A section you are going to have for 15 marks, and for other two sections you are going to choose each 35 marks. 35 into 2 70, and 70 plus 15 it is for 85 marks here. And then life sciences, again P section is compulsory. From Q to U you need to select two sections, and each section carry 30 marks from Q to U, and P is for 25 marks, and totally again here 85 marks. And then final section, humanities sciences. Here again pattern is B1 is compulsory, and from C1 to C6 sections you need to choose any one section, and that section carries for 60 marks, and totally 60 plus 25 85 marks. Here complete subject pattern be like, if you chose any paper from first disciplines, not from XE or XL from or XH, the remaining courses, then the exam pattern be like, the common thing is general aptitude. It is compulsory for any discipline, so the common marks it gains for 15 marks, and remaining subject marks 85 depends on the course you chose. From first of these courses you are having common 85 marks single paper, and the remaining three, as we already discussed, it depends on the two subjects and one subject that you chose from XE, XL and XH, and finally for 100 marks. So coming to next thing, maximum 2 papers in GATE 2021. Candidates can appear either in 1 or 2 papers from 27 papers in GATE 2021. The second paper must be from the given set of combinations. Actually, it is mentioned in the brochure available this year based on the infrastructure and date. So, some branches may not get second paper option. For more details, you can download the brochure from the official link gate.iitb.ac.in. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment for further videos, share.